Once upon a time in a faraway kingdom, there lived a kind young girl named Cinderella. After her mother passed away, her father remarried a woman with 2 daughters who were both vain and cruel. They treated Cinderella as a servant, forcing her to do all the household chores while they enjoyed a life of luxury. One day, the king announced a grand ball to find a bride for the prince. Cinderella longed to go, but her stepmother forbade it. Undeterred, she dreamed of attending. As she sat in the ashes crying, her fairy godmother appeared. With a wave of her wand, she transformed Cinderella's rags into a beautiful gown and turned a pumpkin into a magnificent carriage, complete with mice as horses. However, the fairy godmother warned Cinderella that the magic would wear off at midnight. Cinderella arrived at the ball, and the prince was captivated by her beauty. They danced together. But as the clock struck midnight, Cinderella hurried away, leaving behind a single glass slipper. The prince searched the kingdom for the girl whose foot would fit the slipper. When he arrived at Cinderella's home, her stepsisters tried to fit into the slipper, but failed. Finally, Cinderella tried it on, and it fit perfectly. The prince recognized her as the mysterious girl from the ball. Overjoyed, they were married in a grand ceremony, and Cinderella forgave her stepmother and stepsisters for their mistreatment. She lived happily ever after, proving that kindness and grace will always triumph over cruelty.